We're a normal family of 6.
Go ahead, fly.
This house is pretty crazy and loud, and if you ever want to go to a house and have some fun, it'd definitely be mine.
Get off the table, please.
We just thought maybe she had a little bug, a little flu. We had no idea that she had a brain tumor the size of a grapefruit in her head. This little head at 3.5 years old.
She had cancer. She was in the hospital.
The initial news was devastating.
I felt like this was gonna be like a heartbreaker.
It's very hard for families to get by when things are normal. Never mind when you have a sick child. I couldn't work. I had to take care of my daughter. Someone had to stay back and care for her. That was me.
For them to step up and to help the way that they did, I'm beyond grateful.
They did lift the burden off my mom and dad's shoulders.
Friends of Karen's helped us where we really needed the help the most.